bantamweight division. Coming up next, we have Praveen Wagh from Pune taking on Balveer Tomar.
Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your seats. It's Balveer Singh Tomar.
लखनऊ के बलवीर सिंह तोमर अपना MFN डेब्यू करते हुए
There are a couple. In fact, Sanjit Bulwar was training at that camp as well. A lot of great fighters coming out of that incredible fight camp. It will be very important for him to adopt the Ilya Topuria strategy for the final introductions. Before we go to the final introductions, let's quickly take a look at the tail of the tape between these two warriors. In the bantamweight division, Praveen Wagh takes on Balveer Tomar. Kickboxing versus boxing, both men.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, his weight 61.2 kilograms, fighting out of Uttar Pradesh. Make some noise for Balveer Singh Tomar! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, his weight 61.20 kilograms, fighting out of Uttar Pradesh. Give it up for Praveen Wagh!
All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Obey my commands at all times. Touch gloves. Step back. Let's do it.
रेफरी जिम पर्दियोस का स्वागत है मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट में और इस फाइट की शुरुआत दोनों ही फाइटर्स ने ग्लव्स टच किए और
Immediate opening leg kick by Praveen. Tomar tried to egg him on. Nice hook attempt there. But he's landing his kicks when he wants. And just like that, sways out of range. Crazy.
Oh!
Take a look at that. Tomar landed a very nice right hand. Got the attention of Praveen, and that's exactly what he needed, is to establish a little bit of respect for the power from his opponent.
ऑलमोस्ट नॉकडाउन किया प्रवीण वाघ को बहुत अच्छी बॉक्सिंग पावर दिखाई
Guarantee you. You see that right hand now? That right hand will start to swell up slowly, and he won't be able to throw it with the same power as this fight goes on. See, you can watch that. See that, Rahul? See that right hand of Tomar's now?
and I think oh man oh
Standing and banging both these men. Praveen Wagh standing flat-footed in front of his opponent. He needs to start figuring out that range a little better. And Tomar is now gaining confidence, is starting to land some good combinations of his own. His left leg is going to go up.
प्रवीण वाघ अपनी किकबॉक्सिंग दिखाते हुए और इनके विरुद्ध में बलवीर सिंह तोमर ने काफी अच्छा किक पकड़ के पंचेस
Very, very nice. Round number one. Great striking from both sides. It's going to be a tough one to score. Let's take a look at some of the action there. That was the start of this fight. It started off with so many of those leg kicks, those high kicks that landed over and over. Those, believe me, those don't feel good on the arms at all. But it's that fading away right hook, that wild right hook that he got him with. And Praveen got the edge of it though. Had that shot been cleaner, this fight might not have gone to the second round. But that's what gave Balveer a lot of confidence. Brought to you by the amazing promoters of Aisha Shroff and of course Krishna Shroff. Those leg kicks, try and land calf kicks. We've seen a lot of those in MMA of late.
बलवीर बहुत ही अच्छा फुटवर्क दिखाते हुए बहुत लाइट है अपने पैरों पे
It's eye control. They look down and they go upstairs. So Praveen is looking at his feet, and Balveer is looking. No fighter looks at your eyes; they look at your body. Kick hits the inside of the thigh and slides up, which creates a ripple effect. And it's one of the most horrible feelings to be kicked with the foot or the shin inside the leg.
Well, yes, horrible in fact, because when I used to train, those are
The sportsman that Tomar is, he would not fake an injury of that sort. He would not fake a shot. But we've seen a lot of fighters do that for an advantage to break the momentum. Show Praveen that he can put that leg up. Good body shot, good jab.
Whoa!
Big shot, swings. Both fighters swinging at the 10-second mark here. Wow. Very interesting, very interesting. Because do you score all the points throughout? Look at that. This round, if you see the replay, those leg kicks were the story of round two. You saw a lot of leg kicks. You saw a lot of good shots to the leg. And then Tomar comes over, boom, lands that left hook, catches his attention. This was towards the end of the round. Beautiful lunging hook. And it was a left and a right. But Praveen's chin is so solid, he stood in the pocket. Balveer more at range, keep him at his distance. Sloppy and lets him charge in. Balveer is a boxer. Boxers are trained to find that chin.
They hit the bullseye each time.
Well, let's find out. Third and final round. Oh, that liver kick. Watch out. He might be hurt with that liver kick. You can see, you can look at Balveer's right hand. Immediately dropped to protect the body. That liver kick was a shot, a work of art. And you know, a lot of veterans use that move as well.
An excellent sweep here by Balveer Singh Tomar. इन्होंने जो किक आ रही थी उसको कैच किया और स्वीप कर दिया प्रवीण वाघ को.
Balveer now trying a little spinning back kick of his own. Maybe that is a double jab, a shot to the body. I like how he's changing levels. He's throwing his jab to the body and looking to come over with the overhand right. It's a very good tactic a lot of boxers use. And now again, he's trying to rip to the body, but that singular body shot, unless he sets it up with the previous strike, it won't exactly land because he's telegraphing it at this point. Oh, just got him on the shoulder. And it's also, you know, it's a big danger when boxers change levels because kickboxers, if they can read that, they will time it with a head kick. Praveen is catching him with a kick. But like I said, he you know, utilizing some feints would be fantastic here. See that, now you can see him. You see that leg buckle for a second because he switched it up and went to the outside of that leg. And over across 2.5 rounds, now he's finding it a little tougher to pivot off that leg.
बिल्कुल जजेस का स्कोर कार्ड इफेक्ट हो सकता है. मात्र 60 सेकंड इस बाउट में और दोनों ही फाइटर्स एकदम बहुत ही तेज गति में एक दूसरे को प्रहार करते हुए.
Look at that. Look at Tomar standing in his face, egging him on, saying, "Come on, stand with me." Praveen though playing a smart game here. He knows he's got 30 seconds remaining in this round. It's going to be difficult to finish him off, but I don't know if he's up on the scorecards or not.
Especially क्योंकि प्रवीण वाघ का एक पॉइंट कट चुका है.
I find that very interesting because it's the close fight. Take a look at the replay of that. Again, it was, you know, he landed a bunch of low kicks and that was the one that was caught. The start of the round was incredible when he landed that beautiful ball shot to the body. But this was a story of, again, the point scoring from Praveen. And when I spoke to Praveen, he expected it to go to a decision because he knew it was going to be a war. Can you imagine?
चलिए चलते हैं अगली फाइट की ओर जो की है दिनेश नावरेम और आज ये सामना करने वाले हैं बलवीर तोमर का.
Making his way to the cage, Balveer Singh Tomar.
उत्तर प्रदेश के बलवीर सिंह तोमर दोबारा आ गए MFN 16 के मंच पे. तो डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ बॉक्सर वर्सेस रेसलर काइंड ऑफ अ मैचअप.
I mean, if that's not an energetic, electric walkout.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. His professional record, 2 wins. He weighed in at 56.70 kilograms, representing Manipur and fighting out of Warriors Cove, Dinesh Nawarem. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. His record, 4 wins, 1 loss. His weight, 56.60 kilograms. Representing Uttar Pradesh, give it up for Balveer Singh Tomar.
Hey guys, you understand the rules. You can't go list to meet it, yourself protected. If I say stop, please stop. If you want to touch gloves, do it now. God bless.
For sure, Arjun, for sure. And let's get this started. Again, opposite stances. Balveer in orthodox stance. And we've got Dinesh Nawarem in the southpaw.
Yeah, Dinesh in the white trunks, Balveer in the black trunks. And the last time we saw a southpaw, immediately, no time wasted. Beautiful judo throw.
So slick with his wrestling.
I mean, he started with a flip, but it turned into a muscle. Oh! Very nice.
You blink, you miss.
Don't blink, like Jason said.